Hello everyone and welcome to the Global X-Point channel. So today I won't be once again not making a alternate future of the world, not continuing with the alternate future of the world series. I'll do that in a later video. Today I shall be trying out this population quiz that I found on the internet, and let's see how much score can I get and how many countries population I can guess. So basically how this game works is that you get a country like Argentina and a country like Colombia, and you have to guess if Colombia's population is higher than Argentina or lower than Argentina. So I'm pretty sure Colombia's population is like 50 million people, and so I think it's oh I meant to press higher. I'm an idiot. Try that again. This time Ivory Coast population lower. Okay, I got that correct. Bangladesh population is higher. Indonesia is higher. Iraq is lower. Pakistan is higher. Canada is lower. Great Britain is higher. Thailand is higher. What? I'm pretty sure the last time I checked, Thailand's population was higher. Let's try that again. Spain's population, Taiwan's population is lower. Ghana's is higher. Argentina's is higher. Australia's is lower. Nigeria's is lower. Thailand is higher. Tanzania is lower. South Africa is higher. What? Did you see the difference? You start lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, lower. What? Oh no, I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Higher, 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 lower, higher, lower, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, 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 higher, higher, lower, higher, higher. This is outdated. This is totally outdated. We start. Okay, this is easy. High. Okay, Ukraine is lower. Uganda is higher. What? This is totally outdated. Okay, lower. Higher. Which Congo? Okay, lower, lower, higher, lower, 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 higher, lower, higher, higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, higher. No, oh god. Not again. Lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, lower. Oh god. You know what? Let's move on to the next quiz. So this next quiz is basically to tell by land area. So Kazakhstan is bigger, Philippines is smaller, France is bigger, Australia is bigger, Honduras is smaller, Brazil is bigger, Also, I played this game before. My high score is 20. I think I can beat that. Chile is smaller. Ecuador is smaller. Morocco is bigger. Romania is smaller. Saudi Arabia is bigger. Greenland is bigger. Barely. Ireland is smaller. Angola is bigger. Iraq is smaller. New Zealand is smaller. Zimbabwe is smaller. No, God! Try that again. Smaller. Smaller. Oh. Nope. Try again. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. 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 Bigger. Smaller. Smaller. Bigger. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. 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 Oh, we were wrong. Camera is bigger. I got 20 again. He is smaller. Bigger. Bigger. No, try again. Bigger. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller? No, of course not. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Oh, no, not smaller. Bigger. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. 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 Bigger. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Smaller. Bigger. 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 Smaller. Yeah, big and small. Bigger. No, smaller. Oh god. Smaller. Liberia is bigger. Smaller. Bigger. Correct. Bigger. Oh wait, I just pressed smaller in Panama. I don't know why I said that. Guinea is smaller. Algeria is smaller. Cote d'Ivoire is bigger. Armenia is smaller. South Sudan is bigger. Bhutan is smaller. Dominican Republic is bigger. UK is bigger. Wow, I'm doing really good. Congo is, oh god. Congo is bigger. Yes. Mongolia is bigger. Norway is smaller. Central African Republic is smaller. No, oh god. Still very impressive though. 49. Let's see if I can find another quiz. Okay, so I found this other quiz. It's called, wait a second. It's a flag quiz, and I have to guess the flag. So this is the Trinidad and Tobago. It's correct. This is, this is Luxembourg. Correct. This is East Timor. Correct. This is Niger. Correct. This is Hungary. Correct. This is Cyprus. Correct. This is Angola. Correct. This is Pakistan. Correct. This, Barbados. Correct. Wait, this is Samoa. Correct. This is Saint Kitts and Nevis. Correct. This is the Czech Republic. Correct. This is Malaysia. Correct. This is the state of Palestine. Correct. This is Nauru. I said Nauru. This is Equatorial Guinea. This is Sudan. This is Tajikistan. This is China. This is Malta. This is DR Congo. This is Japan. This is Andorra. This is Seychelles. This is Portugal. I got 24, 25. I definitely got 25. This wasn't as cool as I thought, so I'm gonna try and find another one. This time I won't be trying a quiz, I will be trying a tier list one, where I will be ranking countries by, like, I don't know, GDP. I think I'll rank them by if I want to visit them. So let's start with my favorite country of all time. Wait, no, where is it? Where are you? Where is it? How hard can it be? Here you are. Wow, this is really big. How do you move this exactly? You know what? I think you're supposed to move like this. No, I don't want to keep it there. You know what? I don't think I'm going to do any more quizzes because my time is about to be completed. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.